Hello, you Mayhem Makers. I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and we have the brand new All Pacific Northwest Shop Hop fabric and goodies in the store. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. Jasper's apparently here to help. So we have all kinds of goodies. Starting April 1st is the Shop Hop. So we do have, this is the 10-inch layer cake, and those are the fabrics that are included. It is the Specifically Designed Fabrics by Riley Blake. And we do have them for pre-order on our website. So if you go to quiltingmayhem.com and look up the All Pacific Northwest Shop Hop. So 5-inch charms, jelly rolls, all coordinating with the fabric, with the special panel. So this is what the panel looks like. Hopefully you can get it all in there.
Yep.
I love this panel. It is one of my favorites. And we do have a couple quilt kits if you want to do a full quilt. We also have, they have stickers, which I thought were super cute. I will be putting one on my emotional support water bottle. And then they have, I would call this kind of a label. So if you were making a quilt, maybe to honor the Shop Hop, this would be great to be putting on the back of the quilt. You could put it on a jacket, a bag, there's all kinds of uses. And they do also have a shopping tote. So this is really nice size, clear tote. Huge bag bottom for storing projects or your fabric and goodies during the hop. We do have, like I said, it's all ready pre-order so that on April 1st you can pick it up and just get that hop going. And then I thought I'd show you the fabric kind of more up close and personal. So very Pacific Northwest. You've got your fairies, your mountains, your goldfinches, your Boeing jets, you name it, trees. I do like that this is a toss print, so you don't have to worry about being directional. And then they do have some coordinating stripes. So there's a brown and I call it kind of a cream or an off-white. It is not a true white. And then a blue and a green. And then we have some gingham for a coordinate. Oh, that's falling apart already. This is a good fun green, kind of what I call a spring green. And then we also have this coordinate in the kind of lighter green background. And then we have it in a cream. There's even, of course, coffee cups in there. We can't say they're Starbucks coffee cups, but they are coffee cups. You know us in Washington, we like to be caffeinated. I like this. This is kind of a newspaper print looking fabric. This is a tonal green on green. Then they have it in brown. And let's see, a white with green, or off-white really. So not a true white, it is an off-white, just so you're prepared. Because I know different computers, if you're looking on the website, sometimes it's hard to tell. We've got this really tiny crosshatch that's almost like a 1/8 or a 1/16 crosshatch in a gray. We have some dot. And I like this dot is more a scattered dot. So they call it a dapple dot. So it is, I like that it's not like true symmetrical. So for those of you that might be fussy about how fabrics kind of lay in your project, that the scatter just makes it easier. Then you have, of course, the Washington State kind of stacked and tossed in the green. And then we have it in cream with brown and blue. Oh, words. I may not be caffeinated enough. And then the brown with the multicolor lighter browns and blues and greens in there, which is kind of nice. It ties it all together. So it is all available for pre-order. What we have in stock is pretty much all we're going to have. So make sure, because it is just for Washington, just for the Shop Hop. It is a limited run. It's not one that we're going to be able to keep restocking. So get your pre-orders in, get it going, or be here April 1st and see what we have left. And that way you can make sure you have it for whatever project you're working on, whether it's bags, garments, quilts. You want to make sure you have it to remember the very first All Pacific Northwest Shop Hop of 2025. So we hope you are following us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok. And we hope you have a lovely day and keep on stitching.